Helmsman, bring us about. Tighten our search pattern and slow it down.
We be attacked by Hottentots!
Aye, aye, sir.
Cheeky devils! Give them what for! Empty those shot knuckles!
Aye, aye, sir.
Oh my God!
Tell Cookie to melt the butter and bring out the bibs. I want this lobster served up on a silver platter.
Load the torpedo bays, subpod crews, battle stations.
Move along, Miss Pettigrew!
Battle mode.
Let's go!
Activation ready.
Jiminy Christmas! It's a machine!
Let me handle this!
Launch subpods.
Now! Here we go!
Yeah, let's go! I'll go that way!
Initiating quick
Gun ready, sir.
Let's get him!
Fire! Fire!
We're free. All ahead full.
Let's move!
Quick! You guys
Step aside.
Fire torpedoes.
Well hit, sir! Very well hit!
I've had enough of this! Get me the bridge!
Sir, it's engineering on 4.
Rourke! We took a big hit down here and we're taking our water fast. I don't want to be around when it hits the boilers.
How much time do we have?
20 minutes if the bulkhead holds. We better make that fine.
You heard the lady. Let's move.
Packard, sound the alarm!
And he took his suitcase? Marge, honey, I don't think he's coming back.
Packard!
I have to call you back. No, I'll call you.
You guys ready?
Ready anytime!
Let's go! Okay!
Come on, everybody grab a seat and buckle in!
Lieutenant, get us out of here. Lieutenant!
I'm working on it! Hang on! What the?
Where to, Mr. Thatch?
We're looking for a big crevice of some kind.
Up ahead.
All crap, make your mark 20 degrees down angle.
Roger! 20 degrees down angle!
I'm behind you.
This way!
Let's go!
There's too many of them! We're dead!
It's not gonna be easy.
Hands up!
You must be in trouble.
It's only 3 seconds, just like you're saying. It's only 3 seconds, just like you're saying. Brace yourself!
That's the last of them.
Where are we?
What an amazing sight.